Hey, I'm Laura from HelloPrim, and I'm here to show you how you can make a flyer with our free online design tool. So, first make your way towards helloprint.co.uk/design-online and you will see the full range of products that you can design from. Today we need flyers, so select them at the top left hand side. We now select the orientation and size of the flyer. I'm going to go for a double-sided A5 portrait. This is our most popular selection. Below you can see that we have a huge range of templates to select from based on your industry, and for today I'm going to go for this one at the top left hand side. So let's get started. First I want to change this background image. In the photo library you will find thousands of images to choose from, or you can upload your own just like this. In the top left hand corner you can in one click make this the background image. Next I want to add a black box to the top of the flyer. So I choose the rectangular shape from the left-hand menu and customize the size and colour using the orange box controls and the menu at the top. Now I'm going to bring the text up to the top. Make it centralised, change the font and colour, all super easy using the menu options in the top bar. It's really important to keep your flyers and leaflets on brand, so don't forget to upload your logo to the file. You can resize this easily in the same way as we did before with the black box. Okay, nice. Let's get rid of this white box and we're done with the front. Here I'm going to upload a new image to replace this one and customize my text below. I update the fonts to match my brand and make sure that I have a really powerful message. I'm also going to update the web address at the bottom so everybody knows where they can find us. And we're done. It's really that easy, so go to helloprint.co.uk/design-online today and design your flyers for free.